Okay, so this is your question. What is one positive trait that you possess that you think might help you to influence and empower the LGBTQIA community? Again, what is one positive trait that you possess that you think might help you to influence and empower the LGBTQIA community?
Oh, thank you, Mom, for that wonderful question. So, I possess the negative, positive, which is the respect. Because if we respect each other, we can have an amazing life where negativity could not grow and foster. Because, ladies and gentlemen, if we respect ourselves, other people can respect us. Because since when I was a child, my mother and father taught me that it's very important to respect yourself so that the other will respect you. Because if we could have a respectful personality, we could change the world in what we want to be it is. So I'm standing here in front of you tonight, not just a candidate, but also as an advocate of respecting all LGBTQIA plus community. Because once again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you before I leave in front of you, it's the greatest thing you have to keep is respecting others. Because if we respect others, we can have an amazing world and we can live in a harmonious place in a better life to live on. That would be all. Thank you and good evening.